Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, power driver's seat, air conditioning, alloy wheels, auto express down window, cruise control, hands-free link system, climate control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.